So working to finish up the trails along the west bank of the Arkansas River. But people aren't waiting until they're finished to use them. 2 News reporter Sarah Goldenberg checks in on the progress.
The trails along the Arkansas River in Tulsa have transformed in the past few years, from double lanes and gathering sections on the east side to newly paved trails, lights, and trees on the west side.
I think the Kaiser Family Foundation has done Tulsa a great service. We were just talking about that. We owe a big debt to them.
Construction on the east side trails is complete, and that's bringing more people out to the trails.
What we're seeing is that the population out on the trails has increased.
Although construction isn't over yet, plenty has changed along the trails on the west banks. You'll find new lighting, freshly paved trails, landscaping, and gathering areas.
Well, of course, the section from Turkey Mountain to the I-44 bridge is complete, and that is just beautiful.
Now a new phase of construction has just started on the west side.
Construction is always affected by weather, but we've been pushing through, and we believe we're right on schedule.
Tanya Pitzer with the River Parks Authority says they started the project on the pedestrian bridge to the Festival Park. This section is being funded through sales tax at a cost of $2.9 million. Once it's finished, you'll be able to circle from Southwest Boulevard to Turkey Mountain and across the river. Many residents are happy to have the trail system so easily accessible.
Just being able to walk it and just everybody using it. I mean, it's not exclusive, it's for everybody, isn't it?
That was Sarah Goldenberg reporting. The $12 million project is funded by the George Kaiser Family Foundation.